Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is Sadia Naseem from Beria Foundation College, Nusharaf Rose. This is your botany teacher. Today we are going to discuss the topic movement in plants. We were discussing it already in my previous lectures. I have told you there are two types of plant, autonomic and paratonic movement. Autonomic movement is also known as spontaneous movement and paratonic movement is also known as induced movement. So spontaneous or induced movement. We have learned about the autonomic movements. How many types we learned about the autonomic movement? They are growth movements and turgor movements. Growth movements were notation and nastic movements, and turgor movements were the movement of the plant due to water pressure. Today we are going to discuss about the paratonic movements. Paratonic movements are induced movement due to, these are the movements which are due to some external stimuli. External stimuli. What is stimuli? Any environmental change or environmental condition or any other condition present in plants is known as stimuli. Okay, so we are going to discuss the paratonic movement. There are two types of paratonic movement, tropic movement and nastic movement. Tropic movement can be further divided into 5 types: phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism and thigmotropism. Let's discuss them one by one. First of all, phototropism. It is the movement of plant in response to light. What is the stimuli in phototropism? That is light. For example, shoots of plant are positive phototropism because they move towards the sunlight, and roots are the negative phototropic because they move away from the light. Geotropism is the response of the plant to the earth. Geo means earth. What is the stimuli here? Earth is the stimuli. So shoots are the negative geotropic because they move away from the earth, and roots are the positive geotropic because they move towards the earth. Chemotropism. Chemo stands for the chemicals. What is chemotropism? The response of plant to the chemicals is known as chemotropism. These chemicals may be water, food, minerals or any other. Hydrotropism. Hydro means water. Response of the plant towards the water or away from water is known as hydrotropism. Roots show positive hydrotropism while the shoots show negative hydrotropism. And thigmo stands for touch. Response of plant to touch is known as thigmotropism. Second is the nastic movements. Nastic movement can be divided into 5 more types: photonastic, thermonastic, seismonastic, nyctinastic and heptonastic. So first of all, photonastic. I already told you photo means light. Response of the plant towards the light is known as nastic movement. Thermonastic. Response of plant to the temperature. Thermo stands for the temperature. Seismonastic. It is the compound of sensitive plants in which give response to the touch is known as seismonastic. Example of seismonastic is the mimosa plant, which is also known as touch me not. Okay, nyctinastic, that is sleep movement of plant. Many plants sleep at night. This is sleep movement of plant is known as nyctinastic. And heptonastic is the movement caused due to stimuli of touch, and they can be observed in many insectivore plants in which touch uses the movement. The insectivore plant, when insect touch them, they show the movement that is known as heptonastic. So what is the difference between tropic movement and nastic movement? Tropic movement are the directional movements and nastic movement are non-directional movements. This was some kinds of the movement in plant. So you have to read it very carefully and make your own notes and send me in my WhatsApp group. Allah Hafiz.